Hey everyone, in this video, we'll walk you through setting up a direct, non-custodial wallet for your store using Chui Wallet to accept crypto payments hassle-free. If you're new to Blockonomics, welcome aboard. We're a privacy-first crypto payment solution. We've got all the tools you need, and our support team is here for you 24/7. Now let's dive into the tutorial. First, head over to Blockonomics and sign up for an account. Once you're logged into your dashboard, click over to the Wallets tab. Right there, you'll see a button that says Install Chui Wallet. Click that, and it'll take you straight to the Chrome web store so you can add it to your browser. Now, let's create your wallet. Set a secure password, hit Next, and click Create New Wallet. From there, click Reveal Seed Phrase. Make sure to copy those words and save them somewhere super safe. Then hit Verify Seed. Type the phrase back in to confirm, click Verify, and hit Continue. Boom, your Chui Wallet account is ready to go. Head back to your Blockonomics tab and give the Wallets page a quick refresh. Just click Connect Wallet, enter your password, and hit Unlock. You'll then be asked to approve the connection. Go ahead and approve it, and that's it. Your wallet is connected automatically. Simple, quick, and completely hassle-free for merchants. Head back over to your Blockonomics dashboard, click on the Stores tab, and either select your existing store or click Add a Store like I'm doing here. Give your store a name, and for now, you can leave the callback URL blank. Under Payment Methods, toggle on the cryptocurrencies you want to accept. For each one, you'll choose your destination wallet, and you'll see Blockonomics has already automatically assigned your connected Chui wallet. Click Create Store, and you're all set. Every crypto payment made on your site will now land straight in your Chui wallet automatically. Thank you so much for watching.